everyone! Welcome to another vlog. Today is Tuesday and I'm packing my things. Hindi ako makatapos ng pack. Currently packing my things kasi maglalayas na ako. Ayoko na! Ayoko na! Charot. We are going on a trip and our favorite rocket ship zooming through the skies. Dancer. We're going to Hong Kong to celebrate my mom's birthday. This was a very last minute plan. So, we're gonna pack. Nahihirapan ako mag-pack kasi yung mga gamit ko, if you know me, medyo hubadera akong tao. It's either hubad na hubad or mga ganito, malalaking t-shirt. Eh, hindi naman ako pwedeng mukhang we made it to immigration and now we're claiming our bags. First time ni Philip sa Hong Kong. So, ano masasabi mo?
Masaya, masaya.
Masaya.
Ano?
Akala nila taga dito ko.
Oh, medyo ano nga. It's the vibe.
You know, that's life.
That's life. So, nandito kami ngayon kasi mag-birthday yung isang babae dyan.
Birthday.
Philip, kwento mo yung experience mo sa airplane.
Natataing. Lumalabas na siya talaga. As in, gumaganto na.
Grabe yung flight, guys. Parang sabi ko nga sa kanila, ito yung pinaka nakakahilo kong flight na na-experience my whole life. Grabing nakakahilo. So, we're just collecting our bags. Hindi sa'yo yun? Say hi, guys. Hey.
Next station.
Daddy, where are we?
Hi guys, nakapag-check-in na kami pero mamaya pa kami makapasok na hotel mga 3 p.m. So mag-lunch na kami sa parang wala sa Pilipinas. Kumakain sila ngayon ng gulay. Medyo nagulat kami guys kasi sobrang lamig. Doon kasi in-anticipate naman pero medyo manipis pa yung pasok namin ngayon. So, hindi ako na-ready. Pero yun, makakain kami dito. Medyo Hi guys! We are here at the hotel. We're staying at Marco Polo. And I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. Ito ang aking roommate. My mom. Okay. So once you go in, ito yung door. And then dito sa baba. And then may isang room here. Parang ito yung cabinet. So, may sabitan, may plancha, and there's a cabinet pa din. There's a safe. So, yan yung gamit ni Mommy. And then, there's a mirror here. And there's a desk. We have a desk there. And then, here's the CR. So, yan. Toilet. And then, there's a tub. And then, here is a bedroom. So we have 2 beds. This is my spot. That's Mommy's spot. Then we have like a lounge chair here. And wow, this is our view. This is their Superior Deluxe. Yo, that's it for the room tour. Okay, I'm gonna make a little kwento kasi so when we got here kanina, though we were expecting naman na malamig, pero ang lamig talaga. Nag-shopping si Mami kanina ng mga damit niya kasi konti lang yung dala niya and she really meant to shop clothes dito. So that's what we did, and then we had lunch kanina. As you guys saw, we ate at Din Tai Fung. Iba pala yung menu nila dito. Kasi I was looking for one of my favorite dish nila sa Philippines, yung chocolate dumpling. Chocolate dumpling. Yun nga ba yun? Basta yun yung may chocolate sa loob ng parang xiaolongbao. Wala dun. They only have like the custard thing. So, ang next na agenda is bibili si Mami ng shoes. Nagustuhan niya yung Hoka shoes ko. It's what I use for running. And I think she's gonna check out some bags. Ayun! So that's what's up. And then tomorrow we're going to Disneyland. And then the next will be going to Ocean Park. And then we're gonna change hotels before my mom's birthday on Saturday. We're staying at Disney. So that's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. Yeah. That is it. Di ko alam kung marunong pa ako mag-vlog, but this is me trying. We also got some fruits. May vendors sa labas, which was so cool. Kasi parang fruit. Why is my brain not working? Fruit cup. Tapos sumabog pa nga yung kanina. Oh my God, nakakahiya. The Marco Polo Hotel is a very nice place to stay if you really want to shop here in Hong Kong. It's really close to the shops. It's walking distance lang, especially if you want to go luxury shopping or mga fashion kineme-neme. It's just pretty close here. Magkakatabi na sila. And yeah, so that's the agenda for today. Ikot-ikot. We were supposed to go cable car today, but it's so cold. Tapos parang kulang pa sa jacket yung pinsan ko si Philip. So we opt to just use the time to shop for clothes para hindi naman hassle. Nagpalit nga actually ako ng jacket kasi sobrang lamig. It's so cold. That pala nagdala ako ng scarf, but I didn't. Maybe just wear this so I could cover my ears because it's so cold. Yan. Yokong mabuhay sa isang mundo. Tapos nagpapalit ako ng bag kasi kanina I was using my long chum. Pero now, nililipat ako to my body bag para madali lang. Wala masyadong dala. So, nag-charge ako ng phone ngayon. Kasi medyo na dead bats na siya. Hi guys! It's the next day and today our agenda is to go to Disneyland. Nauna na dun yung sister ko, pati yung pinsan ko. Susunod na lang kami. And now we're going to the train. Nag-breakfast kami kanina. Sabi naman, masarap daw yung kinuha niya soup. But I had the usual. Nag-pancake ako at bacon and egg. Guys, ang lamig. Pero syempre, naka-skirt pa tayo. We rode that train over there sa likod. But we're here. Vineyard. It's a theme park. So, Disneyland lagi, no? Parang saya-saya mo lagi. Baal said. Kasi nga, it's the happiest place in the world. Grabe, ang lamig, guys. Just to give you an overview of the weather, it's 13 degrees. Finally, guys, malapit na kami. Oh my God. 2 oras? 2 oras na pag-aantay. Ano bang tawag dito sa lecheng to? Tanda, sinakyan natin to. After 2 hours of waiting. Grabe. Game!
小戰士，徒步請緊靠。
Hey! Ano masasabi niyo sa ating Disneyland experience so far?
Dami-dami naman ang sakyan.
Ay, nakailan kayo? Yung nag-ano sila, Space Mountain, tapos nag-It's a Small World, tapos nag-Sling. Tapos yung kay Singin. Yung ano, 5. Tapos ano yung isa natin, nag-Lion King, tapos nag-ano kayo dito. Naka-8 kayo na
Sulit din ang ticket.
sulit. Ang i-ride namin ang parang coaster ride sa Air and Love. Sabi ko bye! Kanina pa diretso eh. Hi! Reaction. Dapat doon, no reaction. Wala man lang. Listen. Okay? Saka! Okay, that was a fun ride. Ano ba? Saan?
Grizzly.
Ano ba yung Grizzly?
Yung roller coaster na ganyan. Parang yung...
Parang
mga wooden box. Ang dami.
Saan ba?
Dito.
Wow, red face. Ba't red yung face?
Oo. Saan wala yung ulo mo. Ano?
Naglaro ang mga bata. Me too! Dead end si ate. Hindi, habulin mo si Mami. Habulin mo.
Go, babe.
Mami, ikot ka dyan. Mami, saan ka pupunta? Mami. Hala, ako na dead end. Dead end pa nga. Kakainis. Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you our room here at the Explorers Lodge. So, ito yung itsura ng pinto. Tada! And then, once you get in, meron kang parang open closet dito. Take note guys, medyo magulo na yung kwarto kasi medyo paalis na kami. So, on the right side, merong wash area. So, toothbrush and everything. Tapos may malaking mirror. And then, ito yung CR, pero nagsi-CR pa yung pinsan. And then we have 2 queen-size bed. Magulo na siya. And then, meron tayong bay window. And this is our view. Wow. I think I like this little line. Yan. Tapos, we have a table here. And then, there's a TV here. And then, another mirror here. And that's it for the tour. Hi everyone! Welcome to the end of the vlog. I don't know if this was a long vlog, but thank you guys for staying and watching, trying to finish it. Yeah, so that was a quick vlog about our recent Hong Kong trip. And so yung first day namin was more of checking in sa hotel, and then did a little bit of shopping. And then for the second day, we went to Disneyland. And then, on the third day naman, nag-shopping din kami. Tapos nag-check out na kami sa hotel. And then, we went to a different hotel. We stayed at the Explorers Lodge sa Disney. And then, the day after that, which is our 4th day, is, we also went shopping. And then, cable car kami sa Nong Pin. So yeah, that's that. Pagod na pagod ako! Sakit ng paa ko. So, ayun. Pati ang bigat pag nag-vlog. Parang ang tagal ko na, I don't don't know how to vlog anymore. But on this last clip, I wanted to share with you what I got in Hong Kong. Medyo hindi rin naman ako nakapag-shopping kasi. Alam mo yun, ewan ko. Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman sa wala ako sa mood, pero like, parang ang dami nangyayari. Feeling ko I'm just not okay mentally. But I really enjoyed our stay. We celebrated my mom's birthday there. Actually, we celebrated it at Disney. And I think she had fun. She was so happy seeing the characters, which makes my heart really happy seeing her like that. So yeah, on to what I got in Hong Kong. So first, syempre, ang naisip ko talaga agad was I need makeup kasi naubusan na ako ng aking foundation and nawala ang aking powder. So that was like the immediate thing that I needed. So what I use kasi for foundation ever since 2019 is the Fenty Beauty. Sobrang okay niya sa skin ko. Parang very natural yung lapat. So, I use the Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. And I use the shade 315. So, na-refill ko na siya. Okay siya. Especially for my skin na sobrang sensitive. I usually break out whenever I use the mga maling cosmetics. And then, before, for powder naman, my previous translucent powder was the Laura Mercier. And I got the big one. Tapos, I don't know kung anong event yon, pero suddenly nawala na lang siya. So, I didn't wanna get the big one kasi medyo mahal siya. And I don't finish it naman right before siya ma-expire. So, I thought of buying a smaller one. And then I asked help sa Sephora. Actually, I got this from Sephora. Backstory, I wanted to buy na talaga nung December nung foundation kasi I actually naubusan na ako nung December pa lang. Pero, I was afraid kasi nga, I was petrified. Sorry, pumasok sa utak ko yun. I was afraid na baka mali na yung shade ko kasi nagtitraining na nga ako ngayon. So, I don't know. I wanted something that really looked natural. Hindi yung paglapat sa face ko ang puti-puti ko. Kasi hindi na ako ganun kaputi, guys. Ngayon. Yan, nagtitraining na ako sa araw. I usually just do my training indoor. But now, lo and behold, so, ayun. Nasa shopping bag ko na siya yung foundation and yung powder. Pero, sobrang kabado ako. Kasi nga, if you know me, I want to be always so sure about everything I do. So, hindi ko siya binili. Long story short, andito na tayo. And I didn't wanna buy the big one, the big powder, kasi nga, apart na ang mahal niya, tas nawala siya, hindi ko rin naman siya naubos. So, I got as an alternative this Anastasia Beverly Hills na translucent powder. So, this is their loose setting powder. And we got a few things from Giordano. Syempre. Ewan ko ba? My mom said, wala lang. Yung mga napiling brands. I don't know what clothes to get kasi puro panlamig yung mga nandun. Though pupunta kami in Japan in a few days. I still don't know what to get. Ayokong bumili ng sobrang daming panlamig kasi hindi naman lagi ako nasa malamig. Hello, Philippines. G-Nets. Pero ngayon, what the heck, sobrang lamig. So from Giordano, I got this very cute sweater. Crew neck sweater. So it has a little polar bear over here sa heart. Heart nga to, diba? Okay, heart nga yun. And then, I also got a turtleneck long sleeve basic. So, pwede ko itong mga gamitin sa Japan kasi malamig. Tapos, I also got panty na seamless. TMI ba yun? Anyway, whatever. Girls naman nanonood dito. Diba? Sis? Yeah. So, ang daming sale ngayon sa Hong Kong kasi magsi-Chinese New Year na. So, very mura yung mga gamit-gamit. And then, isa pa na I also wanted to buy is pants. Kasi, wala na akong kasyang pants. Pati puro pants ko, parang napuno ako ng skinny jeans. I don't wanna wear skinny jeans anymore kasi, who wears skinny jeans? Ang hirap-hirap umupo, ang hirap-hirap gumalaw pag naka-skinny jeans. So, yung mga binibili kong pants kami, medyo loose, like mom pants, or like boyfriend jeans. Pero, yung mga boyfriend jeans ko naman, puro, torn. Ano ba yun? Butas. Ano ba tawag doon? Ba't ba hindi ko magana yung utak ko? Basta yung may mga butas-butas. ayoko na naman yung mabutas-butas. Kasi syempre, halimbawa, if may meet kang people, or like sisimba ka, pero yung pants mabutas, parang gusto ko naman mga formal na damit. So, I got this pants from Levi's. Grabe! Sobrang daming sale din. So, this is their loose, ano? How do you even say it? Loose through the hip and thigh. Tapered leg. Oh? So, ito, jeans from Levi's. And I also got a new denim white jacket. Oversized siya. So, I got the extra small size. Kasi yung small ay sobrang laki. Parang siyang large. So, those are the clothes that I got. And then, so sabi ko nga, it was my mom's birthday nung 27. And one of her favorite brands is Cat Kids. So, I went over there and I got her this cute little box containing a hand cream, and also I got her a bag. Alam na naman niya kung ano yung baby sa kanya. Gusto ko pa rin ibalot. I got her this what do you call, why isn't my brain working? This is a tote bag na London theme. Yeah, I got her these two for her birthday. So, ayan. Yun yung mga binili ko sa Hong Kong. Oh, and also, I wanted to share, excuse me, grabe, may pa din yung chicken pastel sa burp ko. Kanina pa yung lunch. Wanted to share with you our photo nung nag-Nong Pin 360 kami na cable car. So, ayan. This is the Hong Kong 2024 crew. This is my cousin Philip. This is my mom. That's my sister. And that's me. This was so fun. Nakakatawa yung experience na yan. And then, we also got the snow globe version. Ta-da! But anyway, ayun lang. Lang. Hey guys, I also forgot that I also got a boots. So, really pang ano siya. Pang lamig na boots because it has fur. Boots with a fur. Got that from Uggs. And yeah, yun lang. And now I am about to plan the outfits that I'm going to be wearing sa Japan because I heard it's nagna-negative degrees and I'm so scared kasi hindi ako masyadong bumili ng mga panglamig. Like even recently as I went to my shopping here in Manila, ayaw akong bumili kasi nga hindi ko naman siya magagamit. And ang laki-laki. So baka manghiram na lang. But I'm thinking what I'm gonna wear. So I have like a bunch of pants already. But anyway, that's not what this vlog is for. So anyway, ayun. Nag-cut yung video. Ano ba yan? Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed our quick trip to Hong Kong and the activities that we did. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I really like vlogging. It's just that sometimes the things get so overwhelming for me that hindi ko siya ma-fully enjoy and I end up in the corner. Drama. Anyway, but I really thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye!